really check these out though.
Yeah. How much are they?
They're only $1 trillion.
$5 for these ones?
Yes, but these are a much better deal. I really suggest you buy these. Strongly suggest you just take a look at them, sir.
I'll take a look at them. Crap.
No, they aren't. These are the best shoes we have, okay? These are the best shoes you can ever buy, okay?
I'm gonna buy these, okay?
Shut up! Buy my freaking shoes, okay?
Buy them!
Buy them!
Alright! How much?
Only $1 trillion, okay? $1 trillion.